At this point, you should have already downloaded the cemetery spreadsheet, which you should see open here. Our first step is to create a survivorship graph for overall survivorship that shows all 3 time periods. So the first thing you want to do, you can see here I've got pre-1820. I want to scroll down so that I can see the age class start point and then the survivorship. So what I want to graph are these 2 columns, the overall survivorship for the time period and the age versus the age class start point. So I want age class start point on my x's. So I'm going to first highlight these 2 cells, and then if you get the new version on a PC, you go up to Insert, Scatter, and I want the straight line connect the dots. Right, and I should get a graph that looks like this. It says Series 1. I don't want it to say Series 1. I want it to say born pre-1820. So my first step is to click on this graph, and I'm going to right-click it, and I should here get a Select Data option. So I'm going to click on Select Data, and a box pops up. So my first step is to edit the title. So I want to click Series 1 and click Edit. And now where it says Series Name, I'm going to type in Born Pre-1820. And then just hit OK. Alright, so now my line says Born Pre-1820. My curve, as you can see down there, is just the same as it was. Now I want to add a new set of lines. So I'm going to click Add. I want to add the next time period, which is going to be born 1820 to 1899. And then I want my X values, so that data is displayed over here. For X values, I'm going to highlight just the numbers for the age class start point. And then click OK again. And then for the Y's, just the survivorship for that time period. Hit Enter, hit OK, and I now have the second set of data. And if I move my box, I can see that second set of data. My third step is to add the last time period. So I'm going to click Add again, and the same process. Type born 1900 plus. Now this time I have to scroll over to highlight my data. But here's my third set. Age class start point are my X's. And my Y's for this overall survivorship. And click OK. And now I have all 3 time periods. I'm going to click OK again. And if I scroll back to where my graph is, my graph now has all 3 lines. I do want a title and axes labels. So if I click on the graph and I'm under Chart Tools and Design, if I click that first layout, that should give me space to fill in the chart title and the axis titles.